day everyone. So I am teacher Marian and I am here to share all with you the learnings that I get when I take computer application with Ms. Suzette Bacchus. So first, let me introduce myself. So I am Marian Andrino, studying Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. So here are the primary objectives of my presentation. So first is to recognize a computer system's architecture, operating system, data transport, and networking functions. When it comes to computer application, you will distinguish between desktop, online, and mobile technologies. Explain the importance and impact of computers in the workplace and throughout society. For personal, academic, and corporate usage, create professional-looking documents, spreadsheets, and database. So, this is a summarization of learnings from prelim to finals. So the first module is the computing world. So we already know that technologies is very prone in our society today, wherein most of the teenagers think that they can't live without technologies, and it is actually true, wherein in our daily lives we use technologies to communicate others, to do our works. So even students use technology, even teachers, even workers. Perhaps a computer system is made up of hardware components that have been carefully selected to perform well together, as well as software components or programs that run the computer. The primary software component is an operating system that supervises and offers service to other computer programs. The history of the computer starts about 2,000 years ago in Babylonia or Mesopotamia at the birth of Abacus. Blaise Pascal credited for building the first digital computer in 1642. Contrary to Pascal, Leibniz on 1646 to 1716 successfully introduced a calculator onto the market. And lastly, Charles Babbage originated the concept of programmable computer and considered the father of computer. So the next is the introduction of the number system. So a number system is a system representing numbers, also called the system of numeration, and defines a set of values to represent a quantity. There are different types of number systems. So first is the binary, which uses only 2 digits, wherein 0 and 1 with a base of 2. Octal number system uses 8 digits, from 0 to 7 with a base of 8. Decimal number system uses 10 digits from 0 to 9 with the base of 10, and hexadecimal uses digits and alphabets to represent the said value, wherein it uses from 0 to 9, then the 10, the value of A is 10, the value of B is 11, and so on until 16. So in conversion method, everything that is converted to binary uses division method and divide it by 2. Everything that is converted to decimal uses multiplication method. Everything that is converted into octal uses division method, which is divide it by 8, and hexadecimal uses division method also, which is divide it by 16. So operating system is when we learn something about adding, subtracting of the number systems. So the first number system is the binary, wherein there are given rules on how to add, how to subtract, and how to multiply. In 1's complement, if the subtrahend is greater than the minuend, apply the 1's complement. Once the 1's complement is in the subtrahend, then you can add. You will change the operation to addition, then add. Once complement the final answer, don't forget to put a affix or a negative sign. So same goes of octal operation, which is 7 as complement rule, and for hexadecimal 15 as complement rule. In laboratory activities, I also learned on how to create or how to use the Microsoft Word, wherein we are given a task to do a mail merge of something about certificate or something that could apply mail merging. So I also learned how to make a table of contents, resume, brochure, calling card, and e-certificate. In Microsoft Excel, I also learned on how to make a spreadsheet about the computation of tuition and for the computation of grades, which is very important for us, especially teachers. So why do we need to study computer application? So studying computer application will help you to develop problem solving, critical thinking, and complex analytical skills. Because for me as a student under Miss Suzette Bacos, it is actually a challenge for me to interface those kind of activities wherein I was not able to do it well, but I am so proud of myself because all of the activities I comply it also. We should always remember that computer is part of our living. And thank you for listening to me as your speaker for today. Hope you will learn something about my discussion. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.